So at IMI Kolkata, we cater to all these different market scenarios by teaching the students many different types of tools, techniques, the different theories. The present day market requires different roles, something like analytical role and other different market research roles. So for doing that, because the students are coming from different backgrounds, from the orientation program itself, we enroll the students and teach them various tools and techniques. In the first trimester, we teach the students Excel and Tableau. In the third trimester, in research methodology classes, we teach the students IBM Statistics and also NVivo. In the second year, the students take different specializations, and to align them with the different market roles and market scenarios, we have different specializations. So something like if a student is taking text analytics, we teach them how to extract a text, analyze them using Python, and then how to get different insights using visualization. We also have a specialization like blockchain, where the students get to learn the different ways to use blockchain in different domains of research or in practical scenarios. We also have other specializations, something like data analytics or database management system, which also help the students to grow their knowledge on how to utilize data, store data, and get different insights out of the data. To take different approaches so that the students can get better learning from the course that I am teaching. So like in the first year, because the students are also new to the campus, so that is why I teach them few theory portions, then I give them some practical examples which I solve in the class, and then I also give them some tutorials and also few real-time data sets which the students can use to practice in the class. If they're getting stuck, they can come back to my cabin, and then we can help them help each other, and also they can talk with their friends, and there are different assignments that are given to the students which they have to solve in a group so that they can discuss and learn in a better way.